let's take a look at our future roadmap. Let me get back to the presentation. So what are we planning to do next? Currently, we are at the alpha version. We are currently working on beta version, which will bring more functionality for managing projects and simulation, checking the quota, and there will be better API key management. You will also there will also be this kind of machine user keys which used for more permanent installations of the keys, so that they are not connected to any person in that sense, but just your organization or a department in the organization or such. And then next year we will do our first public release, which we give a guarantee of stability. We of course try to keep it as stable as possible already, but there might be some changes. If there are any, we'll communicate to all of our existing API users well in advance and help them to switch to the new changes. And we also are planning to have a public repository on the OpenAPI definition so that you can create your own clients as you want. And also the Python SDK will be there so that you can suggest modifications or make a copy to another language of the SDK. Furthermore, we will also add coordinate-based picking and the meshing capability. And of course, we always improve the scaling of the platform as we go. As said, there is a huge capacity in the cloud, but of course there is some technicalities, and we work with our customers case by case on those. And if you go private cloud, then you get the most out of this, as there are some limitations that we need to do in the public cloud, but in private cloud you are free to use as much as you want. And then further down the line, there will be improved integrations and webhooks for receiving asynchronous events and such. And we are already piloting the API with several customers, as said, and now is great time to start with the API and once and all solve and get your say in what direction we will develop this further. And the roadmap is not set in stone. We can take turns as the market needs.